there are pigeons outside, and if you can't see the number of them, there are 8. And here comes some like crows, if you can't see. Crows and little sparrows on the bird feeders, and there's a crow on top of one. You get exactly this kind of food to come so all different birds can, because birds only like one certain food. And look, these are all different kind of foods, so they'll like it. And then we get like pigeons, doves, cardinals, blue jays, blackbirds, stuff like that. So if you really want a pigeon, you have to get this food, and then pigeons will come to your house forever. They won't even stop a day. They have to exactly wrestle each other because they want to eat a lot of bird feed. So, I know that this looks so cool, right guys? So we got like, oh, a crow. Female blackbird right there. And, ooh, sometimes we got some chickadees coming. Bye.